Hello, and welcome back to our 10 quick tips to help you get the most out of ChatGPT. My next tip is to complete what's called the Customized ChatGPT section. You'll find this feature if you go to your profile picture, click on Customize ChatGPT, and you can tell it what you would like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses, and how would you like ChatGPT to respond. So you would enter everything in these two boxes and click on Save. I already have it populated, so I'm not going to click Save, but I will also share with you. Rather than give you my version, I'm giving you OpenAI's response, why ChatGPT users should add the information to the customized ChatGPT section. So this says, starting here, to enhance the personalization and relevance of AI responses. By sharing details about your preferences, profession, or specific needs, ChatGPT can tailor its outputs more effectively, eliminating the need to repeat context in each interaction. And you can pause the video and read the rest of this. It gives you a couple of examples where this would apply. So to make sure that you're getting ChatGPT responses that are relevant to you and personalized to you, make sure you complete the customized ChatGPT section. If you'd like to see more of our content in the future, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive notifications. If you need a little extra help learning about ChatGPT and how to leverage it for your marketing, visit technologytherapy.com to partner up with a mentor who can walk you through step by step.